Welcome to your birthday fantasy, where every month unlocks a luxury house and a private jet to fly you into your dreams. Each spin reveals a world of elegance, color, and the perfect way to travel in style. Before we take off, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss your next grand reveal. The spinner begins to glow. Soft peach tones rise into view, and we land on September. A peach luxury house with a matching peach private jet. The colors darken to deep elegance. December. A black and gold house with a black and gold private jet. Another turn. Soft greens with golden flickers swirl around. October. A green and gold house with a green and gold private jet. A gentle spin brings snowy white light. April. A white luxury house with a white private jet. Pure, fresh, and effortlessly elegant. The wheel glows with shimmering blues. July.